A major initiative of the project begins from funding. Fund manager plays an important role. He or she studies the market volatility and subjective forms of the market analysis of the targeted customers or audience of the product. Funding settles down the product category based on budget, mid-range and the premium smartphone category, plays a nice versa with R&D. Funding gives enough capital for the R&D for type of smartphone category. R&D, research and development, plays a crucial role in software and hardware development depending on smartphone type underlying its pricing segment. Pricing segments are budget, mid-range and the premium categories. R&D have enough data of user experience and other sort of data for developing of product. The number of team coordinate and work together for best output of a product. Design and the newer software testing the parameters of the hardware and software selection of components undergoes in R&D. Prototype gives an initial impression of the product flows and the strengths are fixed here. Different parameters gives an overview of the product. Prototype is an output of actual product under basis of testers of different parameters. Blueprint is made by the R&D team for the large scale production for the wider targeted customer, simply manufacturing the product in its own OEMs or in the manufacturing units. Smartphone brands acquire the raw materials and other parts from manufacturers like Samsung and other brands. Product marketing, outreaching the product for the wider customers of the particular region or targeted customers, thus hyping the product strengths and disclosing the flows is the brand strategy. Pricing and other factors are arrogant of smartphone of brand identity. Advertising of product, smartphone's identity and other impressions are released into the market for the demand of product or awareness about the product is the smartphone strategy.